Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to create scrollable frames in Figma, making your prototypes feel much more interactive. First, you need to place all your desired content within a frame. It's crucial that some of this content extends past the frame's edges, creating an overflow. Then, in the Design panel on the right, make sure to check the Clip Content box. This hides anything outside the frame, preparing it for scrolling. Now, let's set up vertical scrolling. With your frame selected, head over to the Prototype panel on the right side. Locate the Overflow Scrolling dropdown, which is usually set to No Scrolling by default. Change this to Vertical Scrolling. Remember to adjust your frame's height to define the visible scroll area. Finally, click the Present button in the top right corner to see your vertical scroll in action. Creating horizontal scrolling follows a similar process. First, ensure your content extends beyond the frame's width. Then, with the frame selected, go to the Prototype panel and choose Horizontal Scrolling from the Overflow Scrolling options. This feature is incredibly useful for designing elements like image carousels or product sliders. Don't forget to set your frame's width to define how much content is visible at one time. Figma also allows for more complex scrolling. You can select both directions in the Prototype panel to enable scrolling both horizontally and vertically within a single frame. Additionally, you can fix elements, like a navigation bar or header, by checking Fix Position when scrolling in the Design panel. This keeps them stationary while other content scrolls. You can even nest frames with their own unique scroll behaviors for advanced interactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.